Welcome back on Technical Sono YouTube channel. In this video, we'll learn about car accident lawyer, and this is car accident lawyer, Woodland Hills car accident lawyer. You can also learn more information. Car accident lawyer in Woodland Hills, helping victims build personal injury claims. We are reading this article and getting information about car and accident lawyer. If you live in California, chances that you use a motor vehicle as your primary source of transportation every day. There are millions of drivers on our California streets and highways, which which is why it is likely that you will be involved in a car accident at least once in your life. In 2003, over 6.3 million traffic accidents were reported in the United States, according to the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration (NHTSA). Of those accidents, about 42,643 were fatal crashes. For the same year, California reported the 4,215 fatalities from traffic accident. That almost 10% of the national average. So we are more scrolling. Protect yourself and fellow drivers on the road. Common types of car accident. There are many different types of car accident that mainly driver related, but our auto accident lawyer in Woodland Hills deal with all type of car accident, include tire blowouts, rear end accident, head-on collisions, highway accident, hit and run accident, work zone accident, work zone crashes, intersection crashes, over and left crash accident. What are the most common cases of car accident in California? Auto accidents are common occupation in California. What many think can lead to an auto accident on the busy road of California. The most common causes include, first of all, drunk driving. Do not drink when you are driving. Number second, distracting driving, speeding, reckless driving, bad weather, auto malfunction. What are the 10 golden rules of safety? Stay calm to get information. If someone is injured, all police presence. Do not admit fault. Get the name of any witness. Make sure you get driver license number and license plate of number the involved. If you are injured, Los Angeles Sun Friend Valley auto accident, make sure take photos of vehicles and scene. Do not leave the scene without exchanging the information. Report the loss to insurance company, but do not record a statement without a car accident attorney in woodland hills. So that's for today, guys. If you are new on this channel, Technical Sono, so please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. I like upload the video in daily basis on this channel. So guys, thanks for watching.